Unveiling the power of real-world asset tokenization in crypto. The world's largest asset management company, BlackRock, has just entered the realm of real-world asset, RWA coins, with Ondo Finance catalyzing the growth and volume of RWAs. Are you still fading? GM crypto lovers, welcome back to Coinex channel. Today we will talk about the trending narrative real-world asset, RWA. We will introduce the basic of RWAs in crypto, evolution of RWA tokenization, BlackRock movement implication, as well as the market opportunities in this field. Before we dive in, please subscribe our channel for more crypto news and alpha. Remember, we do not provide financial advice, and this video is for educational purpose only. So, here's the lowdown on how RWAs get all digitalized and fancy on blockchain platforms. First up, we identify and value those real-world goodies, deciding how to divvy them up into digital tokens. Then we make sure to dot our I's and cross our T's by following all the legal and regulatory jazz. Once that's sorted, smart contracts come into play, making sure everything runs smoothly. And voila! We've got ourselves some digital tokens representing ownership of those real-world assets, all snug and secure on the blockchain. Now, why should you care about RWAs, you ask? Well, these bad boys are like the cool bridge between the traditional financial world and the wild, wild west of crypto. They make investing more accessible, add a splash of transparency, and jazz up liquidity like never before. Plus, they're shaking things up in the finance world, offering new opportunities and sparking innovation left, right, and center. Let's take a trip down memory lane and see how RWAs have evolved in the crypto industry. From humble beginnings to epic milestones, we've seen projects and platforms pop up like mushrooms after the rain, bringing tokenized real estate and art to the masses. But it hasn't been all sunshine and rainbows. There have been regulatory hurdles and challenges aplenty. Still, we've soldiered on, making strides in tech and regulation to bring RWAs to the forefront. Guess who decided to crash the RWA party? BlackRock, the titan of asset management, has embarked on a groundbreaking journey into the realm of real-world asset, RWA tokenization, teaming up with Securitize to tokenize a whopping $10 trillion of its assets. This bold move signifies BlackRock's commitment to innovation and its recognition of the transformative potential of blockchain technology. By digitizing its assets, BlackRock aims to revolutionize the investment landscape, unlocking unprecedented levels of liquidity, transparency, and accessibility for investors worldwide. From launching its first tokenized fund on the Ethereum blockchain to managing a staggering $39 billion in real estate assets, BlackRock is poised to redefine property investment and bridge the gap between traditional and digital finance. At the heart of this transformation lies security tokens, which represent ownership or interest in real-world assets and serve as the catalyst for bridging traditional and digital finance. With security tokens, investors can seamlessly buy and sell tokenized property shares, unleashing a new era of market liquidity and accessibility. BlackRock's strategic embrace of security tokens underscores its commitment to driving innovation and empowering investors with new opportunities for income generation and asset value growth. As BlackRock blazes the trail in real-world asset tokenization, the future of investment looks brighter and more accessible than ever before. Now let's talk about Ondo Finance, the cool kid on the block who's been turbocharging RWA growth and volume. With their slick platform and killer partnerships, they're making waves in the RWA space. From streamlining tokenization to tackling pesky challenges head-on, Ondo Finance is the MVP of the RWA game. The RWA market currently sits at a respectable $7.2 billion. The forecast for its growth is nothing short of staggering. According to projections by the Boston Consulting Group, by the year 2030, the RWA market is expected to soar to a jaw-dropping $16 trillion. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a well-researched study that underscores the significant momentum building in the real-world asset market. As the RWA market gains traction and momentum, platforms like RTrade are positioned at the forefront of this burgeoning wave. With the potential for explosive growth on the horizon, RTrade and similar platforms are just scratching the surface of what's to come. As more investors recognize the value and potential of tokenized real-world assets, the demand for platforms facilitating RWA transactions is set to skyrocket. So buckle up and get ready to ride the wave. The benefits of investing in real-world asset coins. Why should you jump on the RWA bandwagon? Well, buckle up. because we're about to lay down some serious benefits. Enhanced liquidity, check. Accessibility to new asset classes, double check. Diversification and yield generation? You betcha! Real-world asset coins are like the golden ticket to a more diverse, lucrative investment portfolio. Looking to dive into the world of real-world asset RWA tokens? Well, you're in luck because there are some exciting options out there that could supercharge your portfolio. Here are a few RWA tokens to keep an eye on. Realio Network. Realio Network is all about making real estate investing accessible to everyone. By tokenizing and offering fractional shares of real estate, they're breaking down barriers and democratizing investment opportunities in exclusive real estate and other real-world assets. Polymesh. Pollux as a pioneer in the RWA space, Polymesh Crypto Pollux stands out for its specialized permission blockchain designed for regulated assets like securities, tokens, and NFTs. With its focus on compliance and security, Polymesh is paving the way for the future of regulated asset tokenization. XDC Network. XDC Network is on a mission to build a global digital economy where any asset can be tokenized and traded efficiently. With its secure and efficient platform, XDC Network aims to streamline asset transfer and improve record-keeping for businesses worldwide. Goldfinch. GFI Goldfinch is not your average RWA token. It's a credit protocol that aims to expand access to capital by creating a global credit marketplace. By connecting borrowers with lenders in a decentralized manner, Goldfinch is empowering individuals and businesses to access the funding they need. Landshare Land. With more than 3 years of experience in real estate tokenization, Landshare Land is a low-cap RWA token with enormous potential. By enabling retail investors to participate in crowdsourced real estate flips and renovations, Landshare is revolutionizing real estate investment. These are just a few of the top RWA tokens to watch in the market. As the RWA space continues to evolve and grow, keep an eye on these projects for exciting developments and potential investment opportunities. Okay, let's get serious for a second. Talk about everyone's favorite topic, regulations. Yep, they're like the party pooper at the RWA bash, but hey, we've got to play by the rules. Navigating the regulatory maze ain't easy, but with a bit of know-how and some fancy legal footwork, we can keep things legit and above board. Last but not least, let's gaze into our crystal ball and see what the future holds for real-world asset coins. Spoiler alert, it's looking pretty darn bright. With continued growth, innovation, and mainstream adoption, RWAs are set to revolutionize the financial landscape like never before. So buckle up, buttercups. We're in for one heck of a ride. And there you have it, folks. Real-world asset coins are like the cool kids on the crypto block, shaking up finance and turning heads left, right, and center. From tokenizing tangible assets to bridging traditional finance with the crypto world, RWAs are paving the way for a brighter, more inclusive future. So let's raise a glass to the power of tokenization, the magic of blockchain, and the endless possibilities of real-world asset coins. Cheers to the future of finance.